Good morning, students. 11th Standard Economics, Chapter 2, Consumption Analysis. Today discuss about the indifference schedule, indifference curve, indifference map, marginal rate of substitution, law of diminishing marginal rate of substitution, properties of the indifference curve. So, indifference schedule. Indifference schedule is a table which represents for the different combination of the two commodity equal level of the satisfactions. In other words, so various combination of the two commodity the same level of the satisfactions. So, 5 combination of two commodity given the schedule apple and orange. 5 combinations for the two commodity. Rend commodity combinations for the 5 combinations. The product is apple and orange. Each of these combinations give the same level of the satisfaction without any discriminations. எந்த combination choose பண்ணாலும் the same level of the satisfactions of the consumer without discriminations means எந்த ஒரு difference இருக்காது. In this schedule, the consumer or arranged the goods in indifferent combination. So only the schedule is called the indifferent schedule. The consumer is choose any one of these combinations the same level of the satisfaction of the consumer neither be better of or nor worse off, neither be profit or loss of the consumer. So the consumer choose any one of the combination of this schedule equal level of the satisfaction of the consumer. Next, indifference curve. Different combination of the two commodity are presented in this diagram. Indifference curve. The consumer get different points. The points are connected the one curve. The curve is called the indifference curve. Indifference curve. Indifference curve means different combination of the two commodity apple and orange. The consumer give the same level of the satisfactions. The indifference curve is also called the iso-utility curve or equal satisfaction curve. The indifference curve is also called the iso-utility curve or equal satisfaction curve. The diagram explanation is a x-axis represent for the apple, y-axis represent for the oranges. So point R represent the combination of the 1 apple and 20 oranges. Point S represent the combination of the 2 apple and 15 oranges. Point T represent the 3 apple and 12 oranges. The UV also apple 4 and 10 oranges, and V represent 5 apples and the 9 oranges. So the 5 points give the same level of the satisfactions. The consumer choose any one of the combinations neither better off nor worse off, choosing any one of these point the same level of the satisfactions. So the consumer can join all this point. The curve is called the indifference curve. The curve is represent for the IC. Short form of the indifference curve is the IC. Next, indifference map. Indifference map. Several indifference curve or draw the one diagram is called the indifference map. Each indifference curve is represent for the different combination of the two commodity giving the same level of the satisfaction. So indifference map means family or collection or group of indifference curve is represent the different level of the satisfactions. So this diagram indifference curve is a IC1, IC2, IC3 is represent for the indifference map. So indifference map means group of the indifference curve or collection of the indifference curve. The upper IC represent for the higher level of the satisfaction, that is IC3, indifference curve number 3. The lower IC is represent for the lower level of the satisfaction of the consumer. So IC1 is a lower level of the consumer. Next, marginal rate of substitution. The shape of the indifference curve provide useful information. Indifference curve replace the concept of the law of marginal utility. indifference curve is based on the marginal rate of substitution. What is the meaning of the marginal rate of substitution? A consumer can give up some amount of one good in exchange of the another good and maintaining the same level of the satisfactions. According to left, which define the marginal rate of substitution means x and y is defined as the maximum amount of y the consumer is willing to give up for getting an additional unit of x and still remain on the same indifference curve. So what are the explanation of this definition? MRS refers to the amount of one good that an individual is willing to give up for an additional unit of the another good, so which maintaining the same level of utility or satisfactions or same level of the indifference curve. The consumer increase the consumption of X commodity, so automatically he has to give up, decreases the certain unit of the Y commodity. So that is the concept of the marginal rate of substitution. So in this indifference schedule is represent for the consumer. Apple combination is a 1, orange is increases for the 20. The consumer is increases the apple 5, the oranges is decreases for the 9. The satisfaction of the consumer is the equal level of the satisfaction. Diminishing marginal rate of substitution. Diminishing marginal rate of substitution. The concept of diminishing marginal rate of substitution means the commodity Y decreases as the commodity X is increases. The change in Y is negative, that is minus change in Y. The equation is a M or S XY is equal to minus change Y divided by change X, and price elasticity of demand of the commodity. The equation is to ignore the minus sign. So MRS XY is equal to change Y divided by change X. MRS is represent for the marginal rate of substitution. Next, the properties of the indifference curve. Indifference curve is a subjective and unique to person. So some common properties of the indifference curve. So first one, indifference curve must have negative slope. Second category, indifference curve are convex to the origin. Indifference curve cannot intersect. Indifference curve do not touch the horizontal or vertical axis. Indifference curve must have negative slope. Indifference curve has a negative slope means indifference curve must slope downwards from left to right origin. As the consumer increases the consumption of the X commodity, he has to given up certain unit of the Y commodity is decreases in order to maintain the same level of the utility or satisfaction. So the quantity of commodity Y decreases, the quantity of commodity X must increases to maintain the same level of the satisfactions. The diagram 2.17, the curve do not have the negative slope. The curve cannot be the indifference curve. 2.7ல கொடுத்திருக்க 3 diagramல இருக்கக்கூடிய எல்லா curveமே cannot have the indifferences curve, because in all 3 cases of the combination, B is clearly preferable to the A. Second one, indifference curve are convex to the origin, and indifference curve convex to the origin because of the law of diminishing marginal rate of substitution. Indifference curve are not only negatively sloped but also convex to the origin. It is a concave shaped. What is the meaning of the concave shaped means? Look like a inside part of the bowl. So it is a concave shaped. You draw for the straight line, it is not for the indifference curve. Indifference curve bend பண்ணி convex to the origin. Originல இருந்து கொஞ்சம் bend ஆகி தான் draw பண்ணணும். So the convexity of the indifference curve denoted not only the two commodity or substitute for each other, but also the marginal rate of the substitution. You know the marginal rate of the substitution? The consumer increases the one commodity, he has to given up the decreases of the another one commodity. So this is a indifference curve or convex to the origin. Third category, indifference curve cannot intersect with each other. So indifference curve never intersect because all the points represents same level of the satisfactions. In the diagram, IC1, indifference curve 1 is a lower indifference curve, is denoting for the lesser satisfaction. The combinations for the C and B fall on the IC1. Next, IC2 is a higher indifference curve. Upper indifference curve is denoting for the higher satisfactions. C and A is a combination, IC2. So at the point of the intersection, is a C. C is equal to B on IC1 and C is equal to A on IC2. So A is equal to B. This is not possible because A and B is a different level of the satisfactions. A is an upper IC and B is an lower satisfaction of the IC. So fourth one, indifference curve do not touch the horizontal or vertical axis. Horizontal means x-axis, vertical means y-axis. So indifference curve do not touch the x-axis and the y-axis. If they touch the axis, it violates. Violates means break a rule. The basic assumption of this indifference curve represent for the consumer purchase for the two commodity, apple and orange, used for the different combination of these goods, the same level of the satisfactions. But purchasing only one commodity means monomania means that is consumer do not interest in the other commodity, or his demand on purchasing only one commodity means the indifference curve touch the x-axis and y-axis. But indifference curve different combinations of the two commodity giving the same level of the satisfactions. So indifference curve do not touch the x-axis and y-axis. Thank you, students.